Philippines Daily. What's up? What's cool? What's not? What's fun, ridiculous, crazy, or unbelievable living here day to day in the Philippines? Here in the Philippines, there's a tradition around Christmas, which is kind of charming and kind of weird. It's what is generally referred to as Burr months, right? October, November, December, all Burr months. And for the 4 Burr months of the year, they celebrate Christmas here. Christmas is 4 months long. You go to the mall in September and the Christmas stuff is out, and the Christmas music is playing in every restaurant and in every mall and just about everywhere else, every lobby, in every condo, in every office building, and it gets old really fast. I don't know, I'm from the Northeast. Christmas is sort of like a cold and, dark, snowy sort of event, and here in the Philippines with the birds chirping and the palm trees and the breeze, it just never really feels like a Christmas vibe. People are actually coming to the mall wearing get-ups like this. It's unbelievable. Burr months. That's pretty much it today in the Philippines.